Hello, my name is Nigel Griffiths. I work in Advanced Technical Support, Power Systems, IBM Europe. In this Director6 for AIX movie, we're going to look at a few installing hints and tips for VMControl 2.2. There's a number of steps we have to go through. First of all, we have to meet the prerequisites, so we have to update Director to the current latest version, when I created this movie anyway, of 6121. Maybe updates available since we created this movie. You'll download then the VMControl package from the regular Director website. Take the links to downloads and plugins and you'll find it there. From memory, it's about 120 megabytes. There's a 60-day trial available, so you can give it a go without purchasing it. After that, you need to purchase a license. If you install VMControl, it actually adds some interesting statistics for performance monitoring that I think will carry on working even after the trial period has elapsed. Then you need to install VMControl 2.2. Now I tried to do that on the command line and I couldn't get that to work after a couple of hours. I did notice that there were lots of prereqs warning you that you needed X Windows, so I gave the graphical way of installing it a go, and that worked first time, so we'll show you that and highly recommend that way of installing it. If you have purchased the license for VMControl, then there's an extra package that you'll get, and you install that, and that will take you from the 60-day trial to the fully licensed version. Then you need to install the VMControl agent on your NIMServ, your Network Installation Manager server, and we'll go through that. Then you'll discover appliances, which looks through your NIM server to see if it can find any appliances that are already on there. And then you're ready to use VMControl to do things like capturing a workload and redeploying it. Okay, I've downloaded VMControl 2.2 and we're going to install that. First thing to do is to unzip that. Then we'll untar that. We can see there's some release notes here, and we have a whopping great 111 megabyte file. It's a shell script that actually includes all the data. If we go into the release notes, there's some information down here about the requirements and how to do the install. You're welcome to go there and go round and round in little circles about the install and the prereqs and the requirements and things. I couldn't get any information on how to install VMControl without using X Windows. Well, that's why I've had to install VNC in our AIX partition here, so I've got the graphics working. So let's run this shell script en route, so it's need the // I can select English, okay. "60-day evaluation," that'll do for now. I have to accept licenses, you'll have to make up your own mind. Yes, we'll do an immediate restart. I'm the only user at the moment, and I certainly want it up and running. And we'll do the install. Okay, there we go. I presume that Director's been restarted okay. Very nice, pretty graphical user interface that achieves practically nothing at all. I can't see any reason why we couldn't have done that on a console here. I also note it says /temp doesn't have enough disk space. It has at